Within about a month, we were immediately seeing benefits and knew that we'd continue to use Fractory.
We've been using Fractory now for 4 years. Early this year, I brought in a procurement manager within the business. One of his first tasks was to look at subcontractors right throughout the business. So one, we could develop a relationship with them, and two, look at the best prices for our business. And Fractory came to the forefront of being part of that with us.
The fact that we can upload 3D files, because everything we do is in 3D, came with its slight doubts, not having done it before. After the first few orders, those doubts were eradicated completely. Having a cloud-based manufacturing facility such as Fractory is very useful to us. Not only can we upload parts, 3D parts, get instant quotes, have instant orders, but also having the sales engineers on hand to discuss queries, discuss efficiency improvements, to just quantities, lead times and prices is really helpful to us.
Using the Fractory platform broadens that knowledge of other industries that can help us. For example, of 4x2 laser cutting, we can send jobs to Fractory, they will export it across their team and they will come back with a competitive price.
Fractory has been a key partner of ours in increasing material flow to us on a regular basis and have been very accommodating to support our growth needs.
It helps us to move on to other projects. So instead of running one project like the DHL at London Heathrow, we had the capability working on a FedEx project down at Stansted. Fractory was very helpful right from the very start, again with the Stansted project, because they managed to take most of the work from us so we could look at the unique side of our business.
Dealing with Fractory, that managed to cut our procurement costs and our time to procure material drastically by offering a smooth, efficient procurement process.
By using Fractory, we can spread our workload between two businesses rather than opening another factory and taking on extra amount of staff. So we keep in control of all our costs. So working in partnership with Fractory, it brought both companies together to assist so we could develop and get the equipment onto site on time, first time round. I think the quality, the standards that we're seeing so far mirror what we can do here.
Fractory platform's open to everybody, whether you're a first start-out company like ourselves or whether you've been trading 100 years.